Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do reading for Leo, fire sign, your person, current feelings and actions. And this is general reading, may or may not resonate everyone. And this reading is from June 1st to June 10th. So let's see your person, current feelings, Leo. Okay, let's see your person, current feelings. Ace of Pentacles, Judgment, the Sun. Wow, three major arcanas in the deck. I think you could be separated in past. Those who are in separation, there will be a chance for reconciliation. Your person want to reconcile with you. Judgment, you will get justice definitely, because the judgment is here, and he want to offer long-term commitment to you. This is very long-term commitment. Ace of Pentacles, the Sun. Definitely it is very positive card. I think for some there are some children are also involved. That's why you both could be in separation in past. But right now your person, anyway, he want reconciliation with you and want to offer this commitment to you. So let's pull some cards. The near future actions towards you. Wow, 10 of Pentacles. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Queen of Cups. Okay, 7 of Swords. He want to offer this stability to you, definitely. And Queen of Cups, he has emotions for you. And 7 of Swords. I want clarification card here for 7 of Swords. Okay, Emperor. I think he may be in transformation, because in past sneaky energy, definitely your person have the Emperor, but he is transforming this to this man to this man, Emperor. Now your person want this connection and want to offer stability to this connection, because he realized your worth after the separation. For some definitely there is some sneaky energy in your person right now, but he want this connection. So let's pull some cards from universe. Death. I already told you, transformation. Your person may be going some transformation. The Death card is here. The Fool, new beginning. The World. Wow, this is very positive reading for you, Leo. And the 5 of Wands. Yes, definitely in past there is some disputes between both of you, and the separation and disputes between both of you are going to be end. The World is the end card, end of cycles ending, and the Fool and the Death, definitely new beginning. Your person wants second chance with you. For some it is new love also, because I think you could be transformed or you could be healed, and you also want new love. Definitely those who looking for new love, definitely it is also coming, because the Death and the Fool. For some who want the past person, definitely your past person is also approaching you. So this is the reading for you, Leo. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.